I wanted to share with you guys the final reveal of my Christmas decor for the 2024 Christmas season. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm Grinched out, okay? Got my Grinch house shoes, my Grinch pajama zip-up onesie, okay, that is way too big. And my camera doesn't want to focus because there's lights and stuff in the background. My camera wants to show y'all the lights, which we are going to do today. All right, you guys, let's begin the tour with the foyer. So you guessed it, green and gold is the vibe this year for the main tree. Y'all, this is our 12-footer that we got from at home. It is beautifully flocked. I was inspired to do this green, gold, black kind of sexy vibe based on our nutcracker here we've had for so many years, y'all. I still haven't painted it yet. I have not had time, but we're gonna be painting his face to be brown because I just am feeling that vibe this year. This is the tree, y'all, and I did something special this year with the ornaments, those big velvet ones. You might be like, oh my God, Vaughn, where'd you get those gigantic 12-inch velvet ornaments? Well, y'all, those are custom, AKA DIY, okay? I bought some faux velvet fabric from the fabric store and used some of those giant sized foam balls, but I ended up just going with the half balls because they are cheaper and you can't even tell the difference. It all looks good. More details on that DIY over on my Instagram page. And then I went ahead and did the garland on the banisters this year. I think I skipped it last year if I'm not mistaken, but I brought them back and I decided to drape them on a loop versus wrapping them around the banister. And y'all, this was such a quick process. I think I like this a lot. I went with some velvet ribbons throughout and it's so much fun. A couple fake candles over in the corner there. I really like this vibe, y'all, this year. I would have never chosen this color combo, but I'm really glad I did because I really like it and Anthony does too. I popped a wreath on the door. I got wreaths on both sides of the door. And this is my dining room. My favorite Christmas decor that I've done to date is on this table right now. So as you can see, I went with the bows on the back of the chairs. Y'all, just tied these myself and adhered them to the chair with straight pins. The ribbon came from Walmart, just a 12-foot roll, a couple 12-foot rolls, and that just adds the cutest little darling touch. I just never thought that I would be doing something like that, but it is just super cute. I am in love. It really sets the scene for the tablescape, which I went with a bunch of different cones this year from all around. You guys saw me do that haul in my last video, and look how the plates and the napkins came out. As you can see, I went with both the wine glasses and the water glasses. I just could not choose, and I went on Pinterest and Pinterest told me I can have both. So I was really excited about it. Y'all, the little mini tree figurines turned out so good. I just can't even believe that. It was the best choice ever to get those. And look at these candlestick holders. You guys saw these also in my last haul. Turned out amazing. Really brought in some browns that I was desperately in need of. Some of that warm color to really bounce off that green. So good. And I think the thing that ties it together for me is the garland. I was able to find this cheap flocked garland. It looks like it has like a little glitter on it too, which I thought was really nice. I found that at Michael's. It was on sale. I actually ended up getting two, and I put the other one around this candle holder. It's actually a silver and gold themed candle holder with like apples on it and all that. So I just covered it with this garland, and you know, you can't even tell. It's like so perfect. Added a couple candles to the buffet back here. Gives you that warm vibe. It smells so amazing in this house right now. Y'all, have so many candles lit. And yeah, I was worried about those napkins, but they turned out really good. I folded them like a newspaper girl just so that it could look more full. And I used my gold napkin rings that I've had for some years. I thought those would just be so perfect on there. Added some accessories and pine cones and things from in my Christmas decoration stash. And I just love the way it came out. All the different textures, all the different heights. It's not perfectly symmetrical. It's just really, really cool. And as you can see, we went real heavy with the gold, and I was really nervous about that, but it turned out really nice. Moving on this way into the kitchen, a few touches in the kitchen. Y'all know how I normally do, just little moments. But my coffee nook is a little bit of a centerpiece. Let me put my water bottle down. Ceramic spice bowls with the lid, so perfect. Those came from Home Goods. These latte hot chocolate stirrers, also Home Goods, Walmart, Joann's, and just a bunch of stuff that I had from previous years. I added this today, girl, some gingerbread cookies, and look how many are left. When I tell you this was filled up to here, between Anthony and Ann, they've been having a field day. Those are delicious though, y'all. They came from the bakery section at Walmart. Y'all, I am so excited about my gingerbread themed coffee station this time around. I think it turned out so good. Like, wow. And it smells amazing over here because I have this candle going. Christmas coffee, it smells so good. Y'all know I always have to decorate my coffee nook for the season, and this is one of my favorite for the Christmas style. Okay, let's head over to the kitchen, eat-in kitchen table, whatever you call this, the breakfast table. I don't know, girl. I did the same trick with the ribbons on the backs of the chairs. I thought I'd just give it a try for this area over here just to see if I like it. I tried to tie this in with the family room, as you can tell. Hey, Sansa girl. Sansa likes it. Girl, I hate these candles. They're the LEDs. I just really prefer fire, but I know I have to be careful with that around the kids and stuff. But this just looks so awful. It doesn't even photograph well. It doesn't even look good in person. I just don't like them. I kept with the water glass and wine glass theme over here just to be consistent, but I don't even really like the way this looks. And I'm probably just gonna put these glasses back in the cabinet. They're just out so I can show y'all what it would look like if we were having dinner. And for the napkins, I went with a layered look, right? So I got these cream colored ones with the red silky ones. I had used these ones for Halloween and they look so cute for Christmas too. I got these gold napkin rings and I just tied it in the middle and tucked it under the plate. Real simple. Ann girl walking around having snacks. Sansa eating crumbs off the floor, following Ann so she can grab the crumbs. Oh my God. So we went with the black flatware. Girl, I was just trying something different. Trying to go for that Crate and Barrel holiday tablescape look. Added my little fun cones to the middle. We also have a wreath back there. And that's it for this area. What do y'all think? Let me know. Okay, and then here's the family room. I was really excited about the family room this year. I was able to do the trifecta trees scenario over here. So we have a 9-foot right here in the middle. You guys saw me kind of decorating this one. And I tried my hand at putting the ribbon on there. And I really like the way this one turned out. I kind of don't like the main tree ribbon that much because I think I got the wrong type. It really has to be like this wired ribbon that's firm. It can't be like the loose wired ribbon. There's a difference. So I think this one, I was able to shape it better than the other one, but it's all good. This is our fun tree for the family room, so I think it turned out really cool. And these little mini trees, we decided just to leave them bare because they were looking kind of, for some reason, it was giving like struggle tree. And that's not what I was going for. I was going for kind of like a, you know, enchanted forest vibe. So we just left them bare. I think that's cute. We got our giant gingerbread man with our gingerbread bag of cookies or whatever that's supposed to be. This thing does not look good lit. It only looks good like this, so it's kind of a waste. This is the one from At Home. Do not buy that one. The light just looks like a Halloween decoration. Oh, I forgot to light the candle. Let me light the candle so y'all can get a vibe, you know? Every year these house tour videos get more and more casual. Girl, no apologies, okay? We ain't, you know, we just vlogging, okay? So I'm gonna light this so y'all can see how it's intended to look. And you might be wondering, why is the family room so extra? Me and Moo throwing a Grinch movie night up in here. That's why. Okay, so that's the look. Y'all catching the vibe, y'all catching the vibe. Okay, that's the look, super fun. And then I threw some pillows, some little festive pillows on the couch. As you can see, girl, all the stuff from the previous years, I didn't buy anything new for that. And then I have a little centerpiece here on the coffee table. I love that. Over here by the fireplace, we not turning that fire on because it's already too hot in here. Plus this is filled with cicadas, y'all. We gonna get into that later. Blankets and pillows. We got this cute little Macy's tree. I call that my Macy's tree because that's what it looks like. And then I put the little reindeer here, and then this is Sansa's stocking with some gifts in there. I'm not putting up stockings for everyone else this time around. And then last but not least, the bar. Since we are having a adult party, I wanted the bar to be nice and festive, so I threw those wreaths up there on those cabinet doors, really cute. And then down here, y'all, listen, I threw some garland in the back and then it didn't want to stay, so I used bottles of liquor to like push it back so it could stay against the backsplash back there, and I think it's cute. Brought out Anthony's Club Shay Shay. He has so many of these, girl. He bought like a case. And then my fake little presents to add to the decor. These are my Santa Baby bar cups from last year, so we just put those up. And then this is the perfect encouragement for the bar. Like, look, have yourself a merry little Christmas, okay? Have yourself a drink, okay? So this is kind of set up for the party, but at the same time, I like it for the family room just in general. So that's it. That's the Christmas tour, y'all. It's just the first floor this year. The only room I'm decorating upstairs is gonna be the guest room because we are going to have a lot of guests this season. So I want that room to be cute. I'm gonna put some lights up, put some festive pillows on the bed, and call it a day. So for the next round of creative content, you guys are going to see all of my ideas come to life for the party that we're having, right? So I had mentioned before we're having a Grinch themed movie night, but I don't know if I mentioned or not, but it's going to be an elevated adult theme, you know, movie night. So it's not going to be like pajamas and, you know, lounging around with blankets. I mean, we can still do that, but I'm encouraging people to like wear their festive holiday outfits, you know. Think of it more of like a Christmas pop-up bar. It's going to be heavily decorated, lots of moments for photos, and the menu is going to be an elevated menu. So it's going to be like really classy hors d'oeuvres. We're going to put a spin on your typical movie night snacks and just make it like more elevated, just because, you know, anyone can just put out some popcorn and have a movie night. I want it to be something, you know, memorable. Mumu agreed, so we're doing it together as a team, girl. Another more girl production, okay? And I'm going to be decorating, you know, a lot more, adding on to this. So this room is really fun and festive for that reason, because I'm definitely going to be adding a layer onto it for the party. I'm probably going to be putting some multicolored lights up here, you know, to add to the Grinch theme. I'm going to be putting my treat wall over there somewhere, I think, and it's going to be really fun. Y'all coming? Ava just woke up. Girl, I almost took this back, how big it is. I almost took it back, because what? Maybe when I wash it, it'll shrink to a regular size. And of course, we're hosting Christmas dinner, and we're gonna be eating it right up in here. And I can't wait. This is my favorite tablescape I've done to date. It's my favorite. Really, really like it. Let me know what y'all think of the decor this year. This is a really laid back video. It's a real life moment. It's really just laid back. I'm getting ready to start dinner, like that kind of thing. So let me know what you guys think of the decor this year. And this video is short because I just wanted to show y'all the decorations. But come back the day after tomorrow and we'll have some more fun stuff to share. Thanks for watching.